Welcome to Buy Wholesale Cabinets. Today, we're going to be putting together our Frameless WBC 2730. This cabinet consists of one door and two shelves. The step-by-step instruction will give you everything you need to put this cabinet together. The tools you'll need for this assembly are a box cutter, a rubber mallet, wood glue, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a power drill with the Phillips head drill bit. Here are the tools you will need to assemble our frameless cabinets: the cam lock nuts, the cam lock screws, the shelf pegs, the rubber stops, the dowels, the door hinges, the 5/8 inch screws for your hinges. Now, take each side panel of the box and insert the cam lock screws. Here's a pro tip: place the cam locks in position first, then tighten them later using a power drill. Once that's done, add some glue into the remaining pre-drilled holes where the dowels will go. After applying the glue, insert all of the dowels and put a bit more glue on top of each dowel. Once that is done, begin by inserting the bottom panel. All of the pieces will fit as seen in the video. Once this is completed, slide in your back panel. Then, grab the other side panel and connect both sides together. Make sure each part is aligned with the dowels and screws. After everything is aligned, grab the cam lock nuts and secure the cabinet in place using your power drill in each of the large pre-drilled holes bent for the cam locks. Here's a pro tip: install the hinges of the WBC 2730 onto the door while the cabinet door is flat and aligned with the side panel. This makes the process easier and ensures a proper alignment. Use a power drill to loosen or tighten the grip as needed to achieve the perfect fit. Once the front is securely attached, finish assembling the cabinet by fastening the large flathead screws at the top and bottom of the cabinet for added stability.